Hi! Join me while I'm fixing a long time issue with this 1981 Mazda RX-7 FB. I forgive her since she's cute, but let me show you what it's all about. A common problem with those FB are the window alignment. It can be defective due to various reasons. In my case, you can hear that the window is just rambling and also not going up all the way. Both of those problems are because the seal is broken. It turned from one rubber piece into a bunch of plastic pieces. So I have here a piece of the old seal. You can see it's in a very rough shape. Well, it's actually older than me. Excuse me for the noise, we will hear it every time I will twist the key. I start with rolling down the window for better access, and I'm just going to use those simple tools I got in this small case. A handle with couple of bits, maybe pliers, and a 10mm socket. First step is to remove the door handle trim. Take off the caps from the trim screws and remove the 4 screws. If someone knows why this part is separated and not connected to the door as one piece, please let me know. We have a couple of clips around the trim holding it to the door. Gently pull it out and just slide the trim up and out of the way. Now let's remove the remains of the old seal. It's just break as I pull it out. And let's take a closer look. I got here a new original seal. It's very nice and elastic and comes with double-sided adhesive in 2 places. Now that's the tough part. It took me around half an hour to slide the seal inside the rails. You just need to force it down and use the window as a guide. Play with it as you work your way inside until it reaches the correct position. I removed some of the waterproof covers so I can work easily from the inside as well. Still have the original glue on it. I think nothing on this door has never been repaired since new. The upper line is pretty easy, so I moved on to the next side. And it's even harder since the access is not easy. And the window is making it even harder to reach. So after putting the seal, check out how it looks all around the window frame. And let's check if it worked good. Well, there is still a gap between the window, the rear part of the seal, and some of the upper part of the seal. I loosened those 3 10mm bolts that holds the guide and the regulator in place and tried to align it a few times until I was satisfied with the results. I also used silicone spray as lubricant on the mechanism to help things move a lot easier. If it works, you should hit that like button. That's great. Now let's put everything back in place, First, the waterproof cover, the trim, here is one clip. Let's push all of them until they pop. Four screws, and caps, the handle trim, and we are done. Thank you for watching and bye.